What Christmas carol did they sing in the mental hospital? Do you hear what I hear? You're welcome.
So we had a really big windstorm here recently, and it knocked down this big tree right across our path to get into our property. So luckily we were able to drive around right there because it's just like a smaller part on this part of the road, I guess. But we were able to drive around it anyway, thank goodness. Now we're gonna have to probably put some straps on it at some point and yank it out of there because it's totally blocking the path. Like if you get any snow, you're not getting around that.
Chainsaw and straps, I think.
Yeah, oh boy. Crazy, that's a big sucker.
Looks like a couple.
Yeah.
Like 3.
Oh, wow.
See? Bushy too.
Yeah.
This tree right beside the cabin came down too.
There's a bunch down. There's one right on the path we walk on.
This one's actually nice to be gone.
Yeah. Makes it feel bigger.
Yeah, we plan on kind of clearing some spots here for hunting. So this just only helps. Has to be junked up, but notice the snow's all gone too.
Yeah.
It's just cold.
It's It's gonna be a not white Christmas, a green Christmas.
We'll get hammered in January and February for sure, though.
Yeah.
About minus 12 inside, minus 13.
Yes. A lot heavier now. One in there. Found it.
Yeah.
That's the one.
There's lots up that way. Just don't. It's a matter of how far you feel like walking.
Yeah. Greater. What do you think?
Yeah, I'd walk the path. You figure as soon as you get over to the actual woods,
Yeah.
you might see one.
Nice one. Just before we get to the deep woods here, where there's a place we've been meaning to show you for a bit. So in here was an old cabin, and it seems like it's totally collapsed. We found it a little while ago. It's kind of neat. I'd love to know the history and stuff behind it. You can see there's like some, what is that, like an oil tank or something?
Yeah. You also said it seems like it's totally collapsed.
It's definitely totally collapsed. I don't know why I said that.
Looks like it's probably been down for over 20 years at minimum.
Yeah. Look, there's some stuff we could utilize. Nice looking sink in here.
There's the sink for the cabin.
It's frozen. Ah!
That's good.
Breaking our new sink.
Oh, it's roasting. Take that back. Make some soup in it.
Yeah. Look over there's a picnic table.
What, the kids one?
Yeah.
Yeah, an old shovel. An old, what kind? Coleman right there. It's a old Coleman burner.
It looks like looks like an axe or something I would kill you with out here.
Sick.
But it's plastic, so
Yeah,
probably
that's what I was
wouldn't
thinking. It looks like a kid's toy or something. There's an old cart
Yeah.
with wheels. Yeah. Oh, it's an old barbecue or something.
Oh, okay.
Looks like might be a Christmas tree. You could take over here.
Okay.
Save us from going way up in the woods. And you're literally surrounded by woods, but the deeper, thicker woods. Yeah, this tree will work, won't it?
Okay. Live outside the cabin.
Well, that's 100% what we're doing.
Oh, I thought you were putting it in the cabin. Oh, my land.
Can you handle that?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
My arms are tired.
You almost got it.
Oh.
All right. There you go a little more. Let it go.
You're pushing it? You want me to
You finish it off. All right. Move. We're going to timber this thing
Okay.
your way.
Oh, move again. Timber! Look at this nice smooth cut. Yay, look at me go. My first Christmas tree I cut down by
It's
myself.
not true. We
Well, you
actually
cut
have
them
a
down.
video of you literally cutting one down like 5 years ago.
I cut the whole thing by myself?
Yeah, it's there's a video to that.
Oh, okay. Take it back.
Yeah.
Bad memory.
I think we might have used a handsaw.
Oh, okay. Well, this was way easier then.
Yeah, it's obviously a buck saw.
Did a good job. Smells good. Want to smell my wood? Pretty sure we put our first Christmas tree ever together in that vase. Oh yeah, you can see it a little bit.
That rose not working.
Frank, you just gotta shake it maybe. We got lights.
Some of them are on.
Yeah. All right, so we just wanted to get a Christmas tree up, something up. I mean, it is what it is. It's not much, but it's something. We wanted something up for Christmas. And we wanted to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. We've all been battling the flu for a few weeks, so that's why there hasn't been any videos. But we're really hoping to get some more videos coming out and have something between Christmas and New Year's. But if for some reason we just don't feel well enough to do that, we're just wishing you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Yeah, Merry Christmas.